Hello and welcome back. We're having this other question to solve for x, given that we have this. Okay, how can you solve it? We know that 8 is equal to what? 2 cube. Hence, we have 2 cube. All that to the power x plus what is this? 2 square. All that to the power x is equal to 36 cannot be expressed in this power is 6 times 6. Okay, that is equals to 36. Okay, that is what we have here. Now, we can bring it out because a to the power m times n is the same thing as a to the power n out of m. Okay, hence we have 2 to the power x cubed plus 2 to the power x squared is equal to 36. We can say since we have 2 to the power x repeating, we can have this one equals to y or equals to m, any variable of choice. Just take it. Hence we have y cubed plus y squared equals to 36. You can bring 36 on this other side to have minus 36 equals to 0. Okay, how can we solve this one? This is a secret method I'm going to show you. Watch it and say it to anyone. Okay, we have 36. 36 is a combination of what? Something that is cube and square. Okay, if you have 3 cube plus 3 square, you're going to have 36. Okay, 3 cube, that is I think 27 plus 9. Yeah, and you have 36. Are you seeing? Hence, if we put this man back here, you're going to have y cube plus y square minus 3 cube plus minus, okay, because this negative minus 3 square is equals to 0. We can combine the cube and the square together. That's the second method. If it can look here. You have y cube minus 3 cube, okay, plus y square minus 3 square. Are you seeing what I'm doing? Okay, let's do something magical. Just watch it here. Take a look here. Okay, we know that a cube minus b cube is equal to what? A minus b times what? A square plus ab plus b square. Coming now about this formula, that is basic algebra. We'll watch the video up here. I'll show you about algebra. In other case, you have y square. Also, we know that a square minus b square is what? A minus b times a plus b. And automatically, the cube is going out because this man and this man are going to take out. And that will be equal to 0. You can directly equate not as I said in the other video. You can look at it. Now, we are going to take it as what? Y minus, because we have 3 minus 3. Okay, our b is 3. Okay, y minus 3 into what? Y square plus 3y is not negative 3, is 3. Take that into consideration and make that fucking up. 3y plus, okay, 3y plus 3 square, that is 9. Okay, that is it now. Our b is 3, 3 square is 9. Okay, we have ab, that is 3y. Okay, plus, we have a plus, don't forget, we have a plus, this one. And this one is what? A minus b and a plus b. Hope you are seeing that will be equals to a0. That's amazing. Subscribe for at this point. Please pause and subscribe. Okay, we can just take out or solve for this. Is y plus 3 and y minus 3 equals to 0. Hence, you can take out y minus 3. Y minus 3 into y square plus 3y plus 9. You can combine with this one plus y plus 3 equals to 0. Hence, y minus 3 equals to 0. You can equate directly, which implies y is equals to 3. Automatically, if you substitute 3 here, you're going to have 36. Okay, sorry, not here. I was already short at this point. Hence, let's just put it at this point. Let's put it like this. We are going to come back here after, because at this point, you're going to put 2 to the power x is equals to 3, hence, which implies x is equals to, we can apply ln, that will be ln of this and ln of this. That will be x ln 2 and equals to ln 3. That will be ln 3 or ln 2. Are you okay? Okay. We are having this one. Okay, let's just put it aside and focus on this instrument. Okay, we have this as the answer for the first one. Hence, the second one we have what? Y squared. We combine plus 4y plus 9 plus 3, that is 9, 10, 11, 12, that is 12 is equals to 0. We can solve for y here by using any method. I prefer using the quadratic method because factorizing this one will be quite difficult. Okay, better use directly the formula. Therefore, y is equals to what? Negative b plus minus, you know the formula? B squared minus 4, what's a? 1, c is my negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2 into 1. That will be equals to negative 4 plus minus 4 times 12, that is 48, 16 minus 14 minus 16. We have 2, we have 32. That is it. 2, 32. But that will be the square root of, since it's 16 minus this, that will be negative 32 all over 2. Automatically, this one is undefined. I will do undefined here because we are in a positive set. Okay, we're in the positive section. We are in the set of real numbers actually. Okay, we cannot have an imaginary number at this one because this is in the set of imaginary number, forming a complex number, because this will be equivalent to what? I root 32. Okay, this one is equivalent to I root 32 from complex number. That will be negative 4 plus minus. Here's one here. I root 32. That is what you have here, but that is not a cup of tea. Hence, we come back to this point. It's a unique value. Hence, we have it as like a here. Therefore, our y is equals to 3. That is the only value, which implies 2 to the power x is equals to 3. Hence, we apply link. That will be link 2 to the power x is equals to link 3. You can use log or any form of your choice to solve this, but I prefer link. It's quite straightforward. So the principle of link, that link of a to the power m is equals to m link a. That will be x link of this is equals to, therefore x is equals to link 3 divided by link 2. Okay, hence x is equals to link 3 on link 2. And we are done with this. That's the answer. Substituting here, you have your answer.